Today's event is more than showcasing the products. It is about celebrating how technology can be part of everyday life in creative ways. Tesla is not just a brand that sells electronics. It is a brand that creates experience through design, quality, and the feeling that every product adds something meaningful. The growth of the Tesla business in Romania over the years shows the value of the strong partnership built so far. These connections continue to shape our direction, and we are confident in the journey ahead. One mutual success and continued innovation. Today's event brings that vision to life, combining technology with inspiration and business with creativity. This is what Tesla stands for, and this is just the beginning.